thought that's where we were going to walk up to.
Yeah, so it's like a rock on a hill.
It's a big pointy rock. Right, let's go. Let's walk. Has everyone got sun cream?
Oh my goodness.
So we've probably spent about an hour. How long do you reckon getting ready?
3 days? I don't know, 2 hours.
We've been ages. So basically we have decided to come for a little walk out. We are at the Isle of Skye, which is, how would you describe it, in just one of the Scottish Isles?
Nice.
Is that how it's, I don't know. It's the first time I've ever been here. And, like I mentioned before,
It's the largest.
it's the largest.
Of the Scottish Isles.
Largest of the Scottish Isles. And
Reachable only
this
by
is the
bridge.
best weather we've had all week. So all the horrible weather we've been riding in for 5 days. And this is the lovely day that we get to go for a walk. But we're like, do we need to take food? How far are we walking? I think it's quite a nice little change. Do you reckon it's the hottest we've been all week?
Definitely. Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. It's almost 20 degrees, I think.
I think, is it?
Almost.
20 degrees. So all you in California, this is what it's hot to us. We're like sweltering in it.
Oh, you mean a hawk?
No, I mean an orc.
Oh, what's an hawk? I'm going round in circles here.
It's a bird. Called an orc.
Oh, that echoes.
Exactly, it sounds like an orc, like it's saying orc.
It does. It sounds like a crow.
So we've climbed up and this is the beautiful, beautiful view. Yeah, it literally takes 30 minutes. We kept thinking it was going to take an hour, it's going to take 2 hours. But yeah, this is pretty nice. It is actually really nice just to do something different other than cycling. But we might be aiming to get on the bikes tomorrow if the weather is still as pretty and beautiful. That is a really good echo.
Yeah.
Look at that though. Like I love Scotland so much. Look at that. It's absolutely stunning. And then me and Sarah have just climbed up onto this beautiful mound of earth. But look at this. Is it? Is it ridge season?
I'm doing today.
Just having a wander back down to the motorhome now. I'm going to stay in the Isle of Skye tonight. We're just going to book a campsite, get hooked up, make some tea, and just have a lovely, peaceful, relaxing evening. Sarah is obsessed with hummus. She eats hummus with everything, including chocolate. That is actually really nice. Slacken campsite. Definitely more Irish. Good morning from the Isle of Skye. This is where we stayed last night. It is a very beautiful campsite. It's very busy though. So this morning we've decided to, for our last day, go on a little bike ride up a mountain pass. Can you see the rainbow?
I think this is way more inclusive.
What, sitting that way?
Just including everyone in the van.
Cold. It's definitely colder than we had anticipated. What do you think to the views?
Beautiful.
Greg, what do you think of the view?
Pretty stunning. Hey.
Who was? I think out of the three of us, Richard does the worst accents. I'm not
terrible.
Do your Geordie accent.
You're terrible.
Richard's quite good.
Yeah, Katie, you're terrible. You should stick to your day job. You are brilliant at what you do in your job, in your life, but accent time is one time.
Do your best impression of me.
You're a lazy little marmot today, aren't you? What divas?
Oh, bloody hell. That is rickety.
Got to have a ferry on your ride.
To make it authentically Scottish.
Yeah. I reckon we could have got the motorhome on this one.
So we've just come up another climb, and we've, what is it called? 5 Sisters?
No, 6.
No, it's 5. These are the 5 sisters. We've got one, not Greg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today, or tonight should I say, is our last night of the trip. So we did the 500, we've had a couple of extra days just to kind of do a little bit more exploring, and just want to come on and just say thank you so much for sharing the fun journey with us, because it's just been incredible. I would recommend anyone come and do the North Coast 500, it is so much fun. And I wanted to answer some of your questions. I asked on Instagram if anyone had any questions about the North Coast 500. To ask them me and I would do them in a video. So, could you do it unsupported, as in no motorhome? Absolutely you could, but for me I feel like because the weather is so changeable, I just felt a lot more confident that it would be a lot more enjoyable, I guess, in the motorhome. But yeah, go for it. There was one guy, one of the nights, God, I felt so sorry for him. He came in and he was wet through, and it was the night when it was really windy and really like just torrential rain. He was in a tent and it would have just been so noisy. But yeah, you can 100% do it. How did you carry your camera gear with you to the rides? So I have a strap which is made by Outer Shell Adventure. I'll leave a link to it. It is amazing. It is a brilliant strap. And then I also had an Apogora bag, which is like a 5 litre one, which fits it in case it rains. So I did that as well. What was the traffic like along the route? Is there any points where you would avoid slightly if repeated? 100% the A9, definitely. In fact, I've been asked what was traffic like along the route, any point you would avoid if we did it again.
Traffic?
Yeah. Which route would you avoid? Which bit would you change?
Just the A9.
Just the A9, I said that A9. It was a monster.
The rest was pretty pucker.
I said the rest was pretty pucker. It was, the rest of it was absolutely phenomenal. But the A9 was not so fun. But I think you have to go on it, don't you? Just that first point to where we turned off. Unless you do a massive detour.
Yeah.
A little bit of it was alright, but yeah, you want to do more. Like loads of K in that. Thank you. See you shortly. What was the best part of the ride and why? But it was all so good. Best part of the ride. I really liked seeing the Highland cows, that was pretty nice. And then Balakna Bar, that was just stunning. To have all that on the first day was pretty epic. Any waterfalls? Yes, I've put a few. I couldn't capture them all because a lot of them were in the distance, but ones that I saw are in the videos. Would you do it again? Maybe not, and I think that's not to say that the route isn't incredible. That's just to say that I generally don't do routes like that twice, because I feel like there's so much of the world to explore. Why would you come and do the same one again? So yeah, maybe not. Is the route very traffic heavy? No, just the A9. The majority of it was, we hardly saw any cars at all, but that bit of the A9 was a little bit busier in comparison to the rest of it. Did you see any dolphins? No, we did not see any dolphins. We saw 2 seals today, which was really nice as we were in the ferry crossing, but yeah, we didn't see any dolphins. Looks an amazing ride. How hard is it? Right, so the actual route is really, there's nothing mega steep. Balakna Bar is the steepest part of it, and that's on the first day, and it depends. You can split it up. You can split it up more, so you can maybe do it over 7 days, or if you want to do it even shorter, do it over 3 days. But the actual route itself is really pretty, and anyone could do it. You just need to split it up to what kind of distance you're used to riding. So yeah, that is it. So I guess I will leave it there. Thank you again for watching all the videos. We're going to go back now and have our last dal. We've literally had dal and rice every single night of this trip. And it has been spectacular. I do love a good dal. So yeah, going to have our last dal and our last night in the motorhome together. So yeah, it's been a good one. It's been an adventure. Already planning another potential adventure for the start of next year, so that's very exciting. I always love these trips because you get together with people that are really into the same things, want to do the same things, and you get chatting and you get excited and you're like, oh, we should do this, we should go there, we should do this trip, we should do this tour. So yeah, lots more to come, and yeah, I'll see you next video. Wheeling out the pool. Summer holiday. Worst job.
You have to take that off.
Oh, have you opened it rather than closed it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Bye.
Bye. What are you going to do if it opens? It comes out and it's just crap all over it. Like, we put it in the wrong way, upside down.
It feels lighter.
Is it empty?
No.
Oh, for God's sake. Oh, no, I can't believe you got it.
You paid £2. You didn't notice this one there. You wheeled it. What a fact. I thought you'd emptied it.
We have, but there's still some in
There's
it.
still a little bit in it.
What were you doing if you weren't pouring it out like that?
Yeah.
There was a machine.